Welcome back to my channel.
Smile at me, please.
Smile at me, please.
Tom hasn't changed his mind.
Tom hasn't changed his mind.
We found him alive.
We found him alive.
You must lie still.
You must lie still.
I want to buy.
I want to buy.
You can't handle another one.
You can't handle another one.
Love knows no limits.
Love knows no limits.
We didn't go very far.
We didn't go very far.
Tom made a bad decision.
Tom made a bad decision.
She greets him every morning.
She greets him every morning.
Tom isn't too smart.
Tom isn't too smart.
Who's going to wear them?
Who's going to wear them?
You are a good journalist.
You are a good journalist.
Don't ever underestimate Tom.
Don't ever underestimate Tom.
The thief broke the window.
The thief broke the window.
The effects are not reversible.
The effects are not reversible.
He is having dinner.
He is having dinner.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
She turned down his advances.
She turned down his advances.
Where was this photo taken?
Where was this photo taken?
Don't put that away yet.
Don't put that away yet.
Tom got stuck in traffic.
Tom got stuck in traffic.
No, it's not necessary.
No, it's not necessary.
She has no self-esteem.
She has no self-esteem.
The work is very dangerous.
The work is very dangerous.
We survived by sheer luck.
We survived by sheer luck.
She is my friend.
She is my friend.
He always remained poor.
He always remained poor.
You are very arrogant.
You are very arrogant.
The salt ran out.
The salt ran out.
I could have done it better.
I could have done it better.
He is well paid.
He is well paid.
He couldn't maintain his authority.
He couldn't maintain his authority.
Today is my birthday.
Today is my birthday.
Which laptop do I need?
Which laptop do I need?
The gardener very often dances.
The gardener very often dances.
I don't want her.
I don't want her.
Hello, this is Mike.
Hello, this is Mike.
Don't leave it open.
Don't leave it open.
Limiting yourself is so limiting.
Limiting yourself is so limiting.
Lunch will be available.
Lunch will be available.
I was chilled with fear.
I was chilled with fear.
The bridge is being repaired.
The bridge is being repaired.
The actor missed a line.
The actor missed a line.
He doesn't like to lose.
He doesn't like to lose.
I brought something for you.
I brought something for you.
This is the end.
This is the end.
That doesn't change a thing.
That doesn't change a thing.
He accepted our offer.
He accepted our offer.
Aren't you exaggerating a bit?
Aren't you exaggerating a bit?
Can't we talk this over?
Can't we talk this over?
Maybe Tom likes you.
Maybe Tom likes you.
Our factories are working perfectly.
Our factories are working perfectly.
That could be arranged.
That could be arranged.
She shouldn't go by herself.
She shouldn't go by herself.
He will be sleeping.
He will be sleeping.
I don't love you anymore.
I don't love you anymore.
That's a blatant lie.
That's a blatant lie.
I saw him last week.
I saw him last week.
I'm considering all possibilities.
I'm considering all possibilities.
I'm with her now.
I'm with her now.
The moon has come out.
The moon has come out.
He is only someone's stooge.
He is only someone's stooge.
You might want to reconsider.
You might want to reconsider.
Don't you play tennis?
Don't you play tennis?
I thought you were Tom.
I thought you were Tom.
I bought a new shaver.
I bought a new shaver.
He had to withdraw.
He had to withdraw.
Tom is such a coward.
Tom is such a coward.
Parents love their children.
Parents love their children.
I don't want to shout.
I don't want to shout.
I'm not giving this up.
I'm not giving this up.
It was so beautiful.
It was so beautiful.
Our school burned down.
Our school burned down.
You're a freshman, aren't you?
You're a freshman, aren't you?
Tom and Mary exchanged glances.
Tom and Mary exchanged glances.
Let me introduce my sister.
Let me introduce my sister.
Tom has a pacemaker.
Tom has a pacemaker.
The police are after him.
The police are after him.
Put everything in my basket.
Put everything in my basket.
Tom is my responsibility.
Tom is my responsibility.
It was a quiet night.
It was a quiet night.
I've already read that document.
I've already read that document.
Tom never sings in public.
Tom never sings in public.
He has been texting me.
He has been texting me.
Tom is taking this hard.
Tom is taking this hard.
The owls foretell the death.
The owls foretell the death.
Discretion is proper to judges.
Discretion is proper to judges.
Animals are not lifeless objects.
Animals are not lifeless objects.
My heart skipped a beat.
My heart skipped a beat.
He likes to travel abroad.
He likes to travel abroad.
I adore that place.
I adore that place.
No man escapes death.
No man escapes death.
His effort contributed to success.
His effort contributed to success.
With fame comes misfortune.
With fame comes misfortune.
Does Tatoeba really help translators?
Does Tatoeba really help translators?
What is your star sign?
What is your star sign?
I don't make the schedule.
I don't make the schedule.
Today I'm working from home.
Today I'm working from home.
The budget is extremely small.
The budget is extremely small.
Alan is a poet.
Alan is a poet.
Her dream has come true.
Her dream has come true.
Your movements were unaccountable.
Your movements were unaccountable.
He ate breakfast by himself.
He ate breakfast by himself.
Please come to my office.
Please come to my office.
She plays piano and guitar.
She plays piano and guitar.
Tom is obviously enjoying himself.
Tom is obviously enjoying himself.
That's not what's happening here.
That's not what's happening here.
Tom has lied to us.
Tom has lied to us.
Tom seems genuinely confused.
Tom seems genuinely confused.
Don't open your book.
Don't open your book.
My father doesn't like soccer.
My father doesn't like soccer.
I miss this so much.
I miss this so much.
He runs very fast.
He runs very fast.
Tom tends to exaggerate.
Tom tends to exaggerate.
We're obviously very disappointed.
We're obviously very disappointed.
What's your favorite web browser?
What's your favorite web browser?
Don't hold back anything.
Don't hold back anything.
I agreed to buy it.
I agreed to buy it.
It was a huge task.
It was a huge task.
Everyone here is friendly.
Everyone here is friendly.
It could happen to anybody.
It could happen to anybody.
Mrs. Thomas taught us history.
Mrs. Thomas taught us history.
Can I touch your breasts?
Can I touch your breasts?
The fish tasted like salmon.
The fish tasted like salmon.
How high can you jump?
How high can you jump?
My father is a businessman.
My father is a businessman.
That thing roasts the insects.
That thing roasts the insects.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time.
Tom's comment was inappropriate.
Tom's comment was inappropriate.
It's the logical choice.
It's the logical choice.
We drove through unfamiliar territory.
We drove through unfamiliar territory.
Coffee gives you energy.
Coffee gives you energy.
English is useful in commerce.
English is useful in commerce.
It was a joke.
It was a joke.
That's exactly what I wanted.
That's exactly what I wanted.
Tom asked me what happened.
Tom asked me what happened.
I must do my homework.
I must do my homework.
It's definitely a problem.
It's definitely a problem.
Last night I chundered.
Last night I chundered.
His hobby is painting.
His hobby is painting.
You should consult a doctor.
You should consult a doctor.
Here's a yellow rose.
Here's a yellow rose.
I didn't get that.
I didn't get that.
Tom doesn't owe anybody anything.
Tom doesn't owe anybody anything.
It was not my mistake.
It was not my mistake.
Today I have to study.
Today I have to study.
I read a book.
I read a book.
Cats are fickle creatures.
Cats are fickle creatures.
Tom met John at Pride.
Tom met John at Pride.
They all speak French.
They all speak French.
You'll accept the gifts.
You'll accept the gifts.
I still don't know.
I still don't know.
Tom slammed on the brakes.
Tom slammed on the brakes.